In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a chat flow for Messenger using Hubspot 2025. This will enable you to seamlessly interact with your audience through Facebook Messenger, enhancing your customer engagement and communication efforts. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot user guide. This is a great starting point if you need any further details or clarification throughout the setup process. Once there, you'll be directed to the main dashboard where all the magic happens. Be sure you're logged into your Hubspot account to access all the necessary features. Next, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find several options. What we're interested in is the Chat Flows option. Click on it. This brings you to the area where you can manage all your existing chat flows and create new ones. This feature is crucial because it acts as the central hub for all your automated messages and customer interactions on social media. After you've clicked on Chat Flows, direct your attention to the Create Chat Flow button. It's typically located near the top of your screen, prominently displayed for easy access. Give it a click, and you'll be one step closer to engaging your audience through Messenger. Now, the next step involves choosing the platform that your chat flow will be used on. Since we're integrating with Messenger, you'll want to select the Messenger option from the list. This choice tells Hubspot that you're setting up a chat flow specifically for Facebook Messenger interactions. Following that, it's time to connect your Facebook account to Hubspot. This is done by clicking on Connect Facebook. A new window or tab will likely pop up, prompting you to log into your Facebook account if you're not already logged in. Make sure to sign in with the account that manages the Facebook page you'd like to connect with Messenger. This connection is necessary because it allows your Hubspot chat flow to send and receive messages through your Facebook page. With these steps completed, you'll have successfully set up a chat flow for Facebook Messenger using Hubspot. This setup is integral to improving your customer service by allowing you to automate responses to frequently asked questions, create personalized experiences, and potentially increase your business conversions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and clear. Remember, if at any point you encounter issues, the user guide within Hubspot is an invaluable resource. Feel free to explore further customization options within your chat flow settings to better suit your business needs. Thank you for watching and happy chatting.